Where are my turmeric lovers? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your homemade turmeric with no additive. You like what I see, right? Don't worry, soon prepare yours. You know the normal procedure. You have to wash off the dirt, the sand, and all that. I got this one from my garden, so if you have one, take your time to wash off the sand. My video is practical, so I'm going to teach you one step at a time, so you won't miss a step, okay? I didn't do much talking here. The video is just self-explanatory. So if you follow the video step at a time, you won't miss out anything, okay? So get your chopping board. It's time to cut it. You don't need to bother peeling off the outer skin though. It will simply get dried, ground, and incorporated into the powder. Next, cut the turmeric into thin slices. The thinner you go, the quicker they dry. I want to give a fair warning. Turmeric can stain your equipment, including your cutting board, your blender, and your finger. So don't panic, okay? Please, after watching this video and aiming to prepare your own, please incorporate turmeric in most of the food you eat. It has so many amazing health benefits which you don't know. Still on the cutting process. Oh my goodness, I'm already stressed up. This will see if you have to take a boo by its own to make sure everyone is satisfied. I'm taking my time to do all this so that when you finish preparing yours, you come to the comment section and tell me how yours was. Okay, I'll be glad to expect answers from you all that try to prepare this. Okay, please friends, if you really appreciate my video or you love what you are seeing, please hit the red subscribe button and the bell beside you right now so you get to be notified when I publish videos from my channel. You might wonder or ask, do I need to boil my turmeric before I dehydrate it? Truth be told, I don't see any need to boil it before dehydrating it. Turmeric dries just as well without boiling. And you see, when you boil it, valuable nutrients are lost in water or destroyed by heat during the boiling process. Like I said earlier, the reason for cutting it so thin is for it to dry very fast. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, I just I just love the color, nothing much. Now it is time to dehydrate our turmeric. To dehydrate it, you can use your food dehydrator, your oven, or even sun to dehydrate it. One thing about using the sun is that to dry a turmeric very well so it to be crispy, you need enough quantity of heat gotten from the sun to dry it very well. If not, it won't dry unless you're experiencing harmattan. The time it takes to fully dry will vary because it actually depends on your dehydrator or oven. Also, how you prepared and organize your turmeric plus the temperature you use will determine if it will dry very fast or slow. So once you've put it inside your oven or your food dehydrator, you monitor it. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to fix or figure out the time I used in putting the turmeric inside the oven. Okay, so how you're going to do it is you have to monitor it all the time. So if you leave it, it is likely to burn. So you have to be monitoring it all the time. Okay. If you noticed, I was monitoring it like some minutes I'll come back and check, some minutes I'll come back and check. So you have to keep monitoring this, keep monitoring it, and you can get a spoon and turn it, flip it over to check the doneness, okay? Do not use your hand in flipping it. I repeat, do not use your hand in flipping it. Get a spoon to flip it. So when you are done, you can now put it inside the oven to continue drilling. Our drilling is getting over. Wow, it is over. So it is time to blend it now. Oh, my poor turmeric. I was thinking it's going to give me a full tray. It has shrunk. So get your blender because it is time to blend it now. Blend, 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 blend. Can you see our powder? Our turmeric powder is now ready. I really want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It really means a lot to me. If what I've been saying sounded like something you've been wanting to hear or learn, please join the family by subscribing to the channel. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell beside it right now so you get to be notified when I post videos like this, videos that interest you the most. Okay, friends. It is time to store the finished homemade turmeric powder in an airtight container. You can now use your turmeric powder the same way you use your curry powder and beyond.